Hello guys, this is my Android device and let me show you how to just block YouTube ads. How to basically get YouTube Premium for free. So, what is YouTube Premium? It contains a very dark mode, like it's not as gray as the normal YouTube, it's very black and it contains no ads. Can we have such YouTube apps for free? Yes, there are third party apps that you can use to prevent ads. They are available on the Play Store. Let me show you. Search VadstKit on Play Store. Yes, this app. So tap on install. It's a trusted app, it's a safe app. You can see the line pending and installing below installing it is written verified by Play Protect. So basically it's a safe app. So when we open this app, then you can see it's a modification of the YouTube app. It is, and it's basically more interesting app than it's less distractive than YouTube, because YouTube basically contains shorts nowadays. So if you don't like watching short videos and you want to watch only like YouTube, so YouTube videos, regular YouTube videos, then you can like uh, install this app, please. It's the trending page of your country over here. All your subscription you need to sign in, but basically to sign in, you don't need any uh, another application. It's a kit, so it will manage all for you. But what if you don't want to any third party app? You can delete this and then you can install a trusted app. We know a reputed company, Opera. So we will go to the, if you don't want to sign in with your Google account in basically, then don't sign in the VadstKit app. But if you want premium and you don't want any ads, so Opera Lite is a like a nice browser. Basically when you turn ad blocking in this browsers, it even blocks YouTube video ads, so you enjoy, these are the like basics. Opera browser, you can see the icons over here. It's Opera, then there is Opera Mini, but you don't have to install either of these. You have to install the purple one. It's known as Opera Touch. So Opera Touch has been installed on my phone right now. I'll open it. You can see when I will turn the ad blocking on, there are like, you can surf many videos on youtube.com and you will see that why is not any ad coming. So basically, welcome to Opera Touch. Continue. Ad blocking I will turn on, then I'll start browsing, and yes, top sites. Okay, YouTube shortcut. You can even turn off the top sites option. It's very distractive. So youtube.com has been opened. Wow, it's first of all dark mode. Wow. Then I'll click on a video. No ad.
पुलिस चोर का पीछा कर रही थी, लेकिन अचानक पुलिस की कार और चोर की कार दोनों बर्फ में फंस जाती है। चोर कार से निकलता है और सामने
No ads. I will serve thousands of videos, like each, like no ad will come. This is the one feature of this browser. So if you want to prevent YouTube ads, it's not that impossible in this new world, because there are many engineers trying to modify each and every app that like asks for money. We convert it for our own use. Many engineers are there, they just modify apps, and it's like it's a cup of tea for them. It's really easy for them to remove the component that brings ad into that app. Basically they do some programming and remove the component that brings ad into any music app like Spotify, any app like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. They just remove the ad component. So that's YouTube Vanced, but I'm not talking about that. If you want like a safe version in your phone, then Opera Touch is the best I would recommend. You watch YouTube videos on youtube.com. Shorts are even prevented over here. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel.